how to remove incognito mode from Google Chrome. In this video, I'm going to show you a really easy trick on your computer that will basically turn off or disable incognito mode so that it cannot be opened within the Google Chrome browser on your Windows PC or laptop. So if you go and right-click Google Chrome and you select New Cognito window, it will not open up. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is right-click the Windows Start button in the taskbar and then select Run. Once Run opens, go ahead and type regedit and check the description for things like this. I'll have this information so you can copy and paste it. So once you type regedit, select OK. And then if you get a pop-up that says, do you want to allow this app to make changes for registry editor, select yes. Now that we have the registry editor open, it's important to note that you need to be very, very careful in here and make sure that you follow my steps precisely. We're going to first scroll all the way up to the top and just collapse everything. Now we're first going to expand HKey local machine, then find software and expand software. And now that we're in software, scroll down until you see policies. Expand policies. And all we want to do is right-click policies and select new, and then select key. Now just type Google with a capital G. Now right-click Google that we just added and select new and then key and type Chrome with a capital C. So now that we have Chrome selected, go over into this right box right here, right-click it, select new, and then select dword 32-bit value. So in here, we just need to type IncognitoModeAvailability. Check the description. I'll have it down there in the exact way that you need to type it. So capital I, capital M, and then capital A. You need to make sure it's spelled correctly, so I recommend checking the description, copying it there, and then you can paste it in. Once you have that in there, right-click it, go to Modify, and then we need to make sure the value data is set to 1. From there, select OK. Now we can close the reg editor and go ahead and reboot your computer. All right, so now I've rebooted. If I right-click Google Chrome down here and select New Incognito window, as you can see, it opens up in the non-incognito version of Chrome. So I am not in incognito mode. And if I go over and select the menu in the top right, New Incognito window is now grayed out and I cannot open up incognito. So I have disabled incognito mode in Google Chrome. If I ever want to bring back incognito mode, all I need to do is right-click the Start button, go to Run, go to regedit, then just go back to Chrome in here and right-click the Incognito Mode Availability, go to Modify, and if I change this to 0 and then reboot my computer, incognito mode will be brought back. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.